You're currently applying for a NASA internship with 20,000 others for a $40,000 stipend, while astronauts earn up to $150,000 and only 1 in 12,000 applicants make it, with odds of 0.0083% advancing. The climb starts here, with a daunting 12 levels separating you from the top, and the journey is about to get real, with a 0.01% chance of getting selected, and 100 hours of preparation already completed. You're one of 1,500 interns at NASA, earning $40,000 for 6 months, working 40 hours a week, assisting engineers and scientists at the Johnson Space Center, surrounded by the smell of freshly brewed coffee and the hum of computers, with 1 in 5 interns getting hired full-time, and a 20% chance of advancing to the next level, with 900 hours of work experience gained, and a sense of excitement and curiosity, with 50 new skills learned. As a NASA engineer, you earn $80,000 per year, working 50 hours a week, designing and developing spacecraft systems, collaborating with a team of experts at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, with the sound of pens scratching and keyboards clacking filling the room, and 1 in 10 engineers getting promoted to senior roles, with a 10% chance of advancing, and 2,000 hours of work experience gained, and a deep understanding of rocket science, with 20 technical papers published. With 5 years of experience, you're a senior engineer, earning $110,000 per year, leading a team of engineers, overseeing projects like the Mars 2020 mission, with the feeling of responsibility and the thrill of discovery driving you, and 1 in 5 senior engineers becoming technical leaders, with a 20% chance of advancing, and 10,000 hours of work experience gained, and a sense of pride in your accomplishments, with 30 awards and recognition received. As a technical leader, you earn $130,000 per year, working 60 hours a week, responsible for the technical direction of a project, like the Artemis program, with the weight of responsibility and the pressure to perform being palpable, and 1 in 10 technical leaders becoming program managers, with a 10% chance of advancing, and 12,000 hours of work experience gained, and a high level of expertise in your field, with 40 peer-reviewed articles published, and a strong network of 100 colleagues. With 10 years of experience, you're a program manager, earning $150,000 per year, overseeing the budget and schedule of a project, like the Space Launch System, with the feeling of being in charge and the thrill of launching a new project driving you, and 1 in 5 program managers becoming division directors, with a 20% chance of advancing, and 20,000 hours of work experience gained, and a strong network of colleagues and mentors, with 50 mentorship opportunities provided. Remember the NASA intern from level 1? Most of them are gone. As a division director, you earn $160,000 per year, overseeing a team of program managers, responsible for the strategy and direction of a division, like the Exploration Systems Development Division, with the feeling of being a leader and the pressure to perform being intense, and 1 in 10 division directors becoming associate administrators, with a 10% chance of advancing, and 25,000 hours of work experience gained, and a deep understanding of NASA mission, with 30 years of experience in the field. As an associate administrator, you earn $170,000 per year, working 70 hours a week, responsible for the overall direction and strategy of a directorate, like the Space Technology Mission Directorate, with the weight of responsibility and the pressure to perform being crushing, and 1 in 5 associate administrators becoming deputy administrators, with a 20% chance of advancing, and 30,000 hours of work experience gained, and a deep understanding of NASA vision, with 40 years of experience in the field, and 20 awards received. With 15 years of experience, you're a deputy administrator, earning $180,000 per year, responsible for the overall direction and strategy of NASA, serving as the second in command, with the feeling of being a leader and the pressure to perform being intense, and 1 in 10 deputy administrators becoming administrators, with a 10% chance of advancing, and 35,000 hours of work experience gained, and a high level of respect from your peers and colleagues, with 50 peer-reviewed articles published, and 30 years of experience in the field. As an astronaut candidate, you earn $60,000 per year, working 80 hours a week, training to become an astronaut, undergoing rigorous physical and mental preparation, with the feeling of being on the path to space and the pressure to perform being overwhelming, and 1 in 10 astronaut candidates getting selected for a mission, with a 10% chance of advancing, and 1,500 hours of training completed, and a strong foundation in science and mathematics, with 20 years of education and training, and 10 awards received. As an astronaut, you earn $100,000 per year, working 90 hours a week, part of a select group of space travelers, undergoing intense training and preparation for a mission, with the feeling of being in space and the thrill of discovery being indescribable, and 1 in 20 astronauts getting selected for a command role, with a 5% chance of advancing, and 2,500 hours of training completed, and a unique perspective on the Earth and the universe, with 50 spacewalks performed, and 20 years of experience in space exploration. As a commander, you earn $120,000 per year, working 100 hours a week, responsible for the safety and success of a mission, leading a team of astronauts, with the weight of responsibility and the pressure to perform being crushing, and 1 in 10 commanders becoming directors of NASA, with a 10% chance of advancing, and 3,500 hours of experience in space, and a deep understanding of the risks and challenges of space travel, with 30 years of experience in the field, and 40 awards received, and 20 peer-reviewed articles published. As the director of NASA, you earn $200,000 per year, working 120 hours a week, responsible for the overall direction and strategy of NASA, overseeing a budget of $20 billion, with the feeling of being at the top and the pressure to perform being overwhelming, and only 1 in 100,000 applicants making it to this level, with a 0.001% chance of advancing, and 40,000 hours of work experience gained, and a legacy that will last for generations, with 50 years of experience in the field, and 100 awards received, and a network of 1,000 colleagues and mentors. The journey to the top of NASA costs $100,000 in education, 10 years of experience, and 10,000 hours of work. But the pay is $200,000 per year, and the reward is being part of a select group of space explorers, with a total of 50,000 hours of work experience gained, and a network of colleagues and mentors that spans the globe. And the view from the top is breathtaking, with the Earth below and the stars ahead, and a sense of pride and accomplishment that is hard to match, with 100 awards received, and 50 peer-reviewed articles published, and 20 years of experience in space exploration.